Okay, it's a very quick tutorial on making holes you can print without supports where the hole runs parallel to your build plate. The idea being, instead of having steeper and steeper overhangs as the hole completes at the top, you limit the angle to 45 degrees, which you can print unsupported, and then leave a small bridge at the top that you can bridge without supports as the print head runs straight over it. You want to allow a small bit extra clearance at the top for any sagging that may happen. Not too much, it's okay. But this point here in the center is slightly higher, 0.1 millimeters higher than the tip of the circle would have been had it not been modified like this. So someone wants to play Dota with me, so I'll do this quickly. We'll create a sketch. We'll create a 10 by 10 box, and in the center of this box we will make a 5 millimeter hole. Get my guides. 5 millimeters. We want to make two 45-degree lines. The position doesn't matter too much, and the length doesn't matter too much, because we will fix them later. 135 degrees is the opposing angle there. In order to stop this shape from moving around too much, we will constrain it to the origin point by using the dimension tool. Okay, and we will constrain the circle so that it is also in place. Now we can use the tangent tool. This will move the lines into the correct intersection with the circle, and we can drag these to make this peak. From here we'll make a construction line 0.1 millimeters up for that bridge allowance from the center. We'll turn off construction and make a new line that intersects the two 45-degree angles. Okay, this looks quite messy, but we're about to clean it up with the trim tool. We'll trim away all of the excess lines that we don't need. We can get rid of these dimensions we don't care about anymore. Even these ones we can remove. Okay. Oh, one more thing to trim. And that is pretty much it. We can extrude this out. Job done. So this can be printed, no problem. And we will show you how to do that too. Test, save. Okay. Here's our piece. Typically, the rest of your print will probably have supports turned on. I like snug. If we slice it, we'll see it will want to fill that hole, but we do not need it. You can see it's not actually trying to support the 45-degree sides because I don't need it. Really only wants to support this top. It's such a small gap that the bridge is going to be fine on its own. So what we'll do is add a support blocker, little box. We can move this box, yeah, just to kill that. We can resize it because it doesn't need to be so big. Move it again. It doesn't need to be wider than that though. Yeah. Slice it. Good to go. Job done. So this very small overhang perimeter 0 seconds of print time. And that's it.